Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys the new Walgreens ad for September 29th to October 5th. Now I'm going to tell you guys right away, there is going to be a new booklet out, so make sure you guys grab that booklet this coming Sunday. There's going to be some P&G coupons, so it's a great month to start couponing. So as you guys see on the front page, they have deals of the week. Now they have Kellogg's cereal for $1.99 with a 50-cent coupon, making it $1.49. I do know there is a 2 off of 4 coupon from coupons.com. If you guys need cereal, I am so stocked up on cereal right now, it's crazy. They also have Tide for $4.99 with a $2.99 with a $2 off coupon, making it $2.99. So it's up to you guys if you want to do that deal. They also have Oreos for $1.99. I can't remember if there's a 75-cent off a 2 coupon out there. If there is, let me know. I know there was some kind of coupon, but I kind of searched for it, nothing pops up. But there is something out there. So just let me know if you guys know if there's a 75 cents off a 2 coupon. But if there is, you guys would end up paying $3.23 or $1.61 for Oreos. Now, what I get a kick out of right now, it's $1.99 next week, but this week it's 2 for $7. Isn't that crazy? It goes to $3.50 to $1.99 just in 1 week. So yeah, they have the Scott's tissue and paper towels for buy one get one 50% off. And then they're $5. There are maybe some coupons out there. I know that you can print them off, so it's up to you guys what you want to do with that. Down in the bottom left corner, they have Kit Kats for $1.99. Now we are getting $1 off a 2 coupon, and it looks like there might be a digital available. So you guys can use that coupon. You guys would end up getting 2 bags of candy for $2.98 or $1.49. An okay deal. They do have the Reese's and the Hershey's for 79 cents, including the Toffee Face singles. Now we do have a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. Hopefully that doesn't expire by then, but that comes out to be 29 cents for that. Now here is a great deal. Now I wasn't sure what's going to be included until I got more into the ad. So Almay and Revlon are $1 or buy one get one 50% off, and then when you guys buy 2, you get an $8 register reward. So I hope you guys are swimming in register rewards next week, because we do have the Almay wipes for $5.99. So, and I'll show you guys that picture how I know the wipes are included. But yeah, so you guys would get them for $5.99. Again, buy one, get one 50% off. You would pay $8.98. You guys can pay with points with that deal. And then you guys will end up getting a $8 register reward, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece, which is awesome. I know another cheap thing that they have is Revlon nail polish. And I do know we did get some $1.50 Catalinas from the Almay, if you guys still have those. They were printed about a month ago, but I still have mine in case I want to have a lower out of pocket. Here we got some of the ad. I don't know why it's blurry. It's like blurry in certain areas. But here it's the Pantene, if you guys can kind of see that. They are 3 for $12. It has a deal if you spend $20 or more, you get 5,000 points. I wouldn't recommend this deal. So yeah, you buy 6 of them. Comes out to be $24. You guys use 5 off of 3 coupons. You would pay $14, but then you get 5,000 points, making them $9 or $1.50 a piece. So not the greatest. All the oral care is buy 2 get the 3rd free. So there's really not going to be any deals for oral care, pretty much probably for the whole entire month, because it looks like it goes until November 2nd. So sharing with you guys on that. Now the Reese's and the Hershey's are 2 for $6, and then with that coupon it comes off $1 off at 2, making them $2.50. Not the greatest deal. I'd hold up and wait for that in case you guys can get some good deals. Halloween is buy one get one 50% off. Now here's some of the big boxes of the Toffee Fave, 2 for $4. You guys can use $2 off coupons from the 9/8 Smart Source. You would pay $2, but then you guys can submit, if it's still available, $1 times 2 on Ibotta, so you get the Toffee Fave absolutely free. So make sure you guys, can get some great deals. I know you can do that a limit of 5, so you just want to do that deal 4 times in each transaction. Let it reset, redo it again. And there was some $1 off Catalinas. I don't know if it'll still print off, but there was some printing off with that. Here is some M&Ms, 3 for $9. Now we do have a $1 off of 2 coupon that looks like it's going to be in the Walgreens booklet. Plus we have a 2 off of 3 regular coupons, so you guys can get them for $6. That comes out to be $2 a bag. It's an okay deal, but it looks like Snickers are included too, so if you guys want to do that. Drinks, nothing really popping out. They have wine for $6.99, and then you get a $5 savings reward if you guys want some Liberty Creek wine. I feel like Lindsay olives are always on sale. They do have regular garbage bags, buy one, get one free. The nice aluminum foil and the paper plates are 99 cents with the Walgreens ad coupon if you guys want to do that. Febreze is 2 for $6, and then it looks like if you guys buy 3 of them, you guys will get 2,000 points. Now I think there are some buy one get one free coupons out there. I'm not 100% sure if that's what we're getting. I can't remember from what I talked about yesterday, but if there is, you guys end up buying 4 of them, you can use some coupons. So there might be some deals with that. Medicines and vitamins are all buy one get one free, buy one get one free, or buy one get one 50% off. And it looks like there's some other coupons attached to that. We're going to the end of the page. Here we got some Advil, $13.99, $9.99. Great, not the greatest deal. Kids Robitussin and Dime Tap, $5.99 with the $2 off coupon, and it looks like it's online. It's also $3.99, and sometimes there's deals on Save and Star in case you guys want to do that. Here is Poise Active. Now this deal has been going on for months. It is $5.99. We are getting a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and then a $3 off coupon in the Sunday's paper, making it just 99 cents in case you guys want to do those deals. Quest bars are buy 2 get 1 free in case you guys need like the Quest bars. Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. Now we are getting a 3 off of 2 coupon in the Sunday's paper. Plus there is a $1 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, which will apply to both items, making them just $1 a piece. So if you guys want to do that, otherwise nothing really else popping out in the personal care product. But here's what I was talking about with the Almay makeup removers. Now again, those are $5.99, and it looks like the Revlon lip balm is also included, so that you guys also will pay $8.98 for the Revlon lip balm, making it 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. So be prepared. Those are the 2 items that are the cheapest in those items, and you guys will get them super cheap. So just be prepared, but you need to do them in separate transactions. Not sure if you guys can roll them, but you have to do them in separate transactions if you guys want to do that. And it looks like we're at the last page of the Walgreens ad, which is nothing really popping out, but just wanted to share with you guys on that. It also looks like Almay, or it looks like Revlon is if you buy 2 products, you get 3,000 points. I do know their eyeshadow, I think, is like $4.19, but I don't know if there's any coupons out there. But other than that, that is the Walgreens ad preview. Hopefully you guys have a great week for getting ready to prepare for Walgreens. I think it's going to be a good month. I think September was kind of slow, and I think it's going to be a great month for October. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.